Hello, everyone. I hope you are doing well. I want to make your day even better. I have 5 resources that I use for web design, and I hope that they will be of benefit to you. Throughout my career, I've used a number of different tools and techniques and things like that to improve my workflow, basically to get me out of a jam. And I've got 5 that I'm going to share with you today, but there's many more, and I just hope that it can help you to make your work more efficient and give you some new things that may even up the creativity of what you are into. So without further ado, I will share my screen. And the first one here is YouTube. Let me get this up. And though that's pretty obvious, or might not be obvious, YouTube is a wonderful resource. It's virtually unlimited. It's constantly updated, and there's a lot of people that want to share what they have learned. And I'm all for that. One thing to remember is, you are not locked in, restricted to, Blackboard, to the classroom. You can expand beyond that. When I was in school about 100,000 years ago, we would go to the library. If we had a question, if we needed to research something, we didn't need the teacher's permission. We didn't need to exhaust every resource before we went to the library. We would go to the library. And that's something that you can do too. Think of Google, think of YouTube as the library, and you can go there at any time and get more. And so that's really what it's all about, learning more that fits your working style. So search there. Don't overlook that. The next one, maybe again, pretty obvious. It is Adobe. Adobe has a website, and not only does the website talk about different tools and things, it has many, many tutorials that you can look at. So here, if you scroll down kind of to the bottom of the Adobe website, of course, I'm in the Photoshop, search the product, and see more. Here, you can open up a number of different tutorials. You got the featured, you got the how to, you got the different sections here, learn, the challenges, and here the live streams. The live streams are really cool. So check them out. Web stuff, graphic stuff, 3D stuff, video, a lot of stuff there. So don't overlook that. There's a lot for you. Another one, getting into a resource. This is more coding. The next two are really coding based. If you've done coding, you may have struggled like me. And there's so many tags and things, and HTML, and CSS, and JavaScript, Python, and SQL. Oh boy. I don't really work in those, but HTML, CSS, a little bit of JavaScript. These come in very handy. So click on this HTML reference, and here you've got all of these tags, all of this stuff that is just so helpful. If you click on one of these, you can, of course, search for what you need. But if you're browsing, you can click on one. Let's click on the H1, the H tags here. And what's so cool about this is I can try it for myself. You can update the code here and hit the run, and it will automatically update. Not automatically, but after you hit run, it'll update, and you can see the results. And if you don't like them, you change them. No charge. It's free. So check it out. The next one is called CodePen. CodePen is sort of the updated version, you could say, of the W3. So I'm not typing any of the URLs in here. So you can go back to the video, get to, of course, youtube.com and adobe.com. This one was the W3 schools. And CodePen. CodePen is very cool. CodePen.io. It has a lot of stuff. So this is a community of like-minded individuals that want to explore, experiment, and also post their projects for you to share and see the code. So clicking on this one here, you open it up and you can see the results here at the bottom. And I've got my HTML, all the code used here, and the CSS, all the CSS used here. All free for you to peruse, free for you to copy and paste into your project. And it will update automatically if you change the settings here. You can click on this heart to basically save the ones that you like, and you can register. It's free, register, and then you can save yours. You can create them and save them, and it will give you that preview. It is really, really simple. I really like it. One of the features, maybe the best feature with the most sites, is the search. Search for something. Let's say drag and drop. Search for that, and you get a number of examples that you can test out. So let's go back and let's just click on this one in here. There's really no HTML here, just a little bit CSS and a lot of JavaScript. Again, if you want to focus on CSS, you can move this stuff out of the way. And so you can see all of this code. But these are live and working. Very nice. Good stuff. So, check it out. Check it out. The next one, of course, um, W3 and CodePen are for those into code. This next one is for people that don't really want to code. Divi. Divi is a template theme for WordPress. I know we went over WordPress and Shopify and um, in intermediate web design. And so, but you will probably be most likely using WordPress, for forever. Who knows? What Divi offers is flexibility and ease of use. And so you can check this out. There's so many things, different looks that you can get from this one theme. That's what really makes this so useful. And the pricing, you have to pay for this. All of these other guys were free. Divi, which is produced by the company Elegant Themes, Divi, their most popular theme, you have to pay for. But when you pay, of course, you get access to all of their products. But I don't even look at any of those. Divi is the only one here for me. You can pay yearly. I actually purchased the limited or the lifetime access, and so you pay once and you never have to pay again. What's so cool about this is for this one price, you can use the theme for any number of websites. So if you have a web design business and you have 12 websites and you need to create them, and you can use Divi for each one. And Divi allows you to customize those so that they don't look anything alike or they can look a lot alike. But it is really a nice tool. So um, I hope these, YouTube, Obvious, Adobe, W3, Schools, CodePen, and Divi. I hope that these tools will benefit you. Check them out. They have been a big help to me throughout my career. So thanks for watching, and you guys have a great day.